Hello everyone and welcome to day 20 of our 60-day Senior Fitness Challenge. If you're new here, this series is designed to help people over 60 stay active, mobile and full of life. So grab your chair, find a comfortable spot and let's begin our 3 easy daily leg exercises. Exercise 1. Sit to stand chair squats. 50 repetitions. Welcome to day 20 of our 60-day Senior Fitness series. Today we are starting with one of the most powerful exercises for strengthening your legs, the sit to stand, also known as chair squats. This movement improves your balance, strengthens your thighs, glutes and knees, and helps you move more easily in daily life. Before we begin, make sure your chair is sturdy and placed on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart, your back straight and your arms crossed in front of your chest. Get ready to move with me and feel the energy flow through your legs. Now let us begin together. Stand up slowly, keeping your back straight, and then sit down gently. That was 1 repetition. Keep your breathing steady. Inhale as you sit down and exhale as you stand up. Let us count together out loud and move in rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going nice and slow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work. Feel your muscles activating. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We are halfway there. How are you feeling? Keep your chest lifted and your shoulders relaxed. Let us keep the energy going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are doing amazing. Stay with me. We are almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic job. You did it. Take a deep breath in and slowly relax your body. Feel the warmth in your legs. That is your strength building up every day. If you completed all 50 repetitions, give yourself a big smile. Tell me in the comments from which country you are watching today, and share this video with your senior friends so they can join our healthy journey. Remember, consistency is the key to staying strong and independent at any age. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions, 50 repetitions. Now let us move on to our second exercise called seated leg extensions. This simple but powerful movement strengthens your quadriceps, the muscles in the front of your thighs, and improves knee stability, balance, and mobility. It is especially helpful for seniors who want to walk, climb stairs, or stand for longer without discomfort. Make sure you are sitting tall on your sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands gently on the sides of the chair for support, your back straight, and your shoulders relaxed. We will lift one leg at a time, holding it for a moment, and then switch to the other leg. This gentle motion helps improve blood circulation and joint strength. Now take a deep breath, sit upright, and let us begin together. Ready? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep alternating legs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful work. Keep your legs moving smoothly. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are halfway there. Stay focused and keep your breathing steady. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel the front of your thighs working hard and getting stronger. Let us finish strong together. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent. You are doing great. Do not stop now. Keep that control and rhythm. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Amazing job! You have completed all 50 repetitions. Feel the gentle warmth in your knees and thighs. That is your body getting stronger and more flexible every single day. If you have made it this far, your legs are truly thanking you. Take a short rest, breathe deeply, and give yourself a round of applause. Tell me in the comments from which country you are watching today, and remember to share this video with your senior friends so they can join this journey of strength, mobility, and health right alongside you. Exercise 3, standing marches, 50 repetitions. Now it is time for our third and final exercise of the day, standing marches. This exercise is excellent for improving your balance, coordination, and leg strength. It also helps increase your heart rate gently, making it a wonderful low-impact movement for seniors. Stand behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly with both hands for balance. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders relaxed, and feet hip-width apart. Remember, slow and steady movement is key. Focus on lifting your knees with control and breathing normally throughout the exercise. We will begin by lifting one knee up to hip level, lowering it down, and then switching to the other leg. That counts as one repetition. Let us start together, and I will count every single repetition with you. Ready? Let us go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep that rhythm going. Lift your knees with confidence. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work. You are marching strong. Do you feel that movement in your legs and hips? Keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing amazing. Stay tall, keep breathing, and march with pride. How are you feeling right now? Drop a strong arm emoji in the comments if you are still moving with me. Let us continue. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent effort. Your endurance is improving every day. Now let us finish strong together. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job. You did all 50 repetitions perfectly. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the strength and energy flowing through your legs. This daily movement helps maintain mobility, keeps your circulation healthy, and builds lasting confidence in your balance. If you completed all 50, type "I did it" in the comments and tell me from which country you are joining today. Do not forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay active and healthy along with you. You are doing an incredible job. Keep marching forward every day. Fantastic work, my friends. You've completed day 20 of our 60-day senior leg series. If you finished all 3 exercises, type "I did it" in the comments. Don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay strong with you. Stay active, stay smiling, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 21.